Hello students, welcome to my academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in the last class we were discussing the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables, right? Now let's go for continuing this, and remember this is 7th period of this chapter. Dear students, you all know that yesterday we conducted the test on both maths and science, right? So now let me show you the question papers. Please take the screenshot of both and use them for practicing. This is maths question paper. It was conducted for 15 marks. Total 5 questions are there and all 5 are important. Observe and take the screenshot. Next. And this is science question paper. It was conducted for 10 marks. Here also we have 5 questions. Here also we have implemented only the important questions. Please go through them thoroughly. Dear students, now let's go for continuing this chapter. In this chapter, we have already learnt how to solve the pair of linear equations mainly by 2 methods, right? What are these? Yes, you are right. The first one is graphical method, which has already been completed. And the second one is algebraic method. In algebraic method, we have 3 sub-methods. Recall them. What are those? One by one. First one is, it is elimination method. Second one is substitution. And third one is cross multiplication. All the 3 methods are learned. And even we have solved the worked examples that are given in NCERT. Then we were focusing on exercise sums. We have completed exercise number 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. In today's class, let's go for solving the problems in exercise number 3.4. Yes. Exercise number 3.4. The first question is like this. Solve the following equations by elimination method and substitution method. So in this method, in this problem, we have 3 sub-problems. So these 3 are already solved. First one, third one and fourth one. And second one is left out. Let us go for solving these equations by these 2 methods. First method. What is the first method? Here only I will go for writing it. The first method is elimination method. Here I will write by elimination method. Observe. We have 2 equations. First, let us go for calling them as 1 and 2. 3x plus 4y equal to 10. You may call it as equation 1. Then 2x minus 2y equal to 2. You may call it as equation 2. Right? From this method, first we have to eliminate either x or y. To eliminate x, their coefficients must be equalized, or to eliminate y, their coefficients must be equalized. So you can go for any one. Say, let us eliminate x, so that I am multiplying equation 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Right? Multiply. 2 3s are 6x, 2 4s are 8y, 2 10s are 20. Is it not? Next, 3 2s are 6x minus 3 2s are again 6y, 3 2s are 6. Then here, x coefficients are same, but they are having same sign, hence I am going to change. Plus is there, make it as minus. Minus is there, make it as plus. Here plus, make it as minus. 6x minus 6x get cancelled. Now, see that 8y plus 6y, how much? It is 14y. 20 minus 6, this is 14. Y is equal to 14 by 14. How much it is? Y equal to 1. Clear? Next, let us go for finding x. So, you have to substitute y equal to 1 in any one of these 2 equations. I will go for first equation only. What is first equation? It is 3x plus 4y equal to 10. What is y? Y is 1. Here I write. 1. Then 3x is equal to 10. 4 ones are 4. Transfer this to right hand side. Becomes minus 4. Next 3x is equal to 10 minus 4. It is 6. X equal to 6 by 3. How much it will be? It is 2. Therefore, the solution will be x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So 2 comma 1 is the required solution. Hope that you have understood. Now let us solve the same equations by second method. What is that? Substitution method. Observe. By substitution method. Then, according to this method, already we have taken the equations as 1 and 2. Again, I am going to write the same. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Let us call it as equation 1. Then 2x minus 2y equal to 2. You may call it as equation 2. According to substitution method, you have to choose any one of these two equations, and in that equation either x or y should be solved. Which one we shall go for? Yes, I'll take second equation because coefficient is smaller. So 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. And observe here, all the coefficients are multiple of 2. Hence, let us divide both sides by 2. Then it will be x minus y equal to 1. Then solve either x or y. Let me solve x. X is equal to 1 plus y. Is it not? You may call it as third equation. And equation 3 is obtained from equation 2. Hence, it should be substituted in 1. Here I will write, substitute equation 3 in 1. It is 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Dear students, you know that what is x? What it is? 1 plus y. Here I will write. In place of x, let us write 1 plus y. Then plus 4y equal to 10. Multiply. 3 plus 3y plus 4y equal to 10. What is 3y plus 4y? It is 7y. 10. Transfer 3 to the right hand side. Becomes minus 3. 7y equal to 10 minus 3 is 7. Y is equal to 1. And I'm sorry, in elimination method also we have got the same, y equal to 1. Then after getting this, substitute this y equal to 1 in equation 3 because we have to get x. So x equal to 1 plus y. What is y? Y is 1. What is 1 plus 1? 2. X equal to 2. See that in elimination method, x equal to 2. Therefore, x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is the required solution. Hope that you have understood. The same equations are solved by both the methods, elimination and substitution, and the solution what we have obtained, that is also same. Yes. Now, you have to pause the video and then go for copying from there to here. Dear students, observe the second question. In second question, they have given the verbal problems. Let us go through them. First, you go through the given question. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solution. But condition is given. What is that? If they exist, how do you check whether they are existed or not? You know that if the given pair of linear equations have unique solution, then this condition holds good. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. If it has infinite, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. If it has no solution, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Right? The solution is existed if and only if this condition holds good. Right? after checking that, we have to solve them by elimination method. Did you understand? Very simple. First statement has been given, convert them into equations. Then after getting equations, check whether they have solutions or not. If they have solution, then go for solving it. Okay? And observe, the first statement is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. Got it? And it becomes 1 by 2 if you only add 1 to the denominator. Then what is the fraction? Is it not simple? Yes. Now, first let us go for converting the given statement into equations. Observe here you are going to find out the fraction. If it is a fraction, there will be two terms. One will be in the numerator and another one will be in the denominator. Clear? Here I'll write, let the fraction be x by y. Then which is the numerator? It is x. Denominator y. Clear? Now let's go through the given statement. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, look here. Here I'll write, adding 1 to the numerator and subtracting 1 from the denominator. Which is the numerator? X. Let us add 1 to it. And which is the denominator? Y. Subtract 1 from the denominator. 1 from the denominator. So it will be y minus 1. Then fraction reduces to 1. Then that fraction becomes 1. Clear? Yes. Now let us form the equation by using this. X plus 1 is equal to, go for cross multiplying, 1 into y minus 1. Then x plus 1 is equal to, multiply by 1, it is y minus 1. Then take y to the left hand side. Minus 1 in the right hand side as it is, take 1 to the right hand side. Becomes minus 1. Then x minus y is equal to minus 2. You may call this as equation 1. Here, next, let's move on to another statement. See, it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. Here I write, when 1 is added to the denominator only. Added to the denominator. What is the numerator? X as it is. Denominator y. For denominator we have to add 1. Then the fraction reduces to, or fraction becomes 1 by 2. Obviously, see that when the denominator term increases, the value of the fraction decreases. Hence it will be 1 by 2. Then go for cross multiplication. 2 into x, then 1 into y plus 1. Then 2x equal to 1 plus 1, multiply 1 with both the terms. 1 into y, 1 into 1, 1. It is 2x, transfer y to the left hand side. Minus y is equal to 1. Call it as equation 2. Got it? Now, we have to solve them. But before solving, what has been given? You have to check whether the solutions are existed or not. Hence, I go for writing all the coefficients. See that this is first equation and is second equation. Hence, we can write A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 and C2. Is it not? What is A1? It is 1. B1 minus 1. C1. See, if you write this in standard form, minus 2. When it goes to the left hand side, it becomes plus 2. So, it will be 2. Then A2. A2 is, see, second equation, 2. B2, it is minus 1. And C2. C2 is Here, take 1 to the left hand side. It becomes minus 1. And compare. Sorry, first you go for finding A1 by A2. What is A1 by A2? It is 1 by 2. Then B1 by B2. B1 is minus 1, B2 is minus 1, it is equal to 1. Then C1 by C2, it is equal to 2 by minus 1 equal to minus 2. Compare. On comparing, you can come to know that what? A1 by A2 is 1 by 2, whereas B1 by B2 is 1. Whether 1 equal to 1 by 2? No, they are not equal. If they are not equal, then whether the solutions are existed or not? Yes, because the given equations have unique solution. So therefore, the solution is existed. If it is existed, then what should be done? It should be solved by the elimination method. Let us go for elimination method. By elimination method, observe equation 1 and equation 2. See that here coefficient of y in both the equations is same. I'll write them. X minus y equal to minus 2 is the first equation. Then 2x minus y equal to 1 is the second equation. And just go for changing the sign. Here minus. Here minus y. Here also minus y. Coefficients are same. Hence just we have changed the sign. These two get cancelled. X minus 2x minus x. Minus 2 minus 1. It is minus 3. X equal to 3. Hope that you have understood. Next, we have to find out y. So substitute x equal to 3 in any one of the two equations. I'll go for 1. X minus y equal to minus 2. X means 3. X minus y equal to minus 2. Then here 3. Take minus 2 to the left hand side. Becomes plus 2. Minus y to the right hand side. Plus y. Y equal to 5. Here we got both x and y values. But what we are going to find out? We are going to find out the fraction. What is that fraction? It is x by y. Here I'll write fraction that is equal to x by y. What is x? X is 3. Y is 5. Therefore, the required fraction is 3 by 5. Hope that you have understood. Yes. Please go through once. First, we have converted the given statement into equations. Then after getting equation, we have checked whether the roots are existed or solution is existed or not. You can also write here as verification for checking whether solution is existed. After existing the solution, then we have calculated. So this is calculation part. And in calculation part, we have used a method that is called elimination method. From the elimination method, finally we have got the fraction that is 3 by 5. Hope that you have understood. Now we have some more. Let's go for solving. Now pausing the video, copy from there to here. Please go through the second sub question. It is 5 years ago, that is before 5 years, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, that is after 10 years, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Then, how old are Noori and Sonu? Do you know their present ages? It's unknown, right? Now first, let us go for assuming their ages. Let the present age of Noori. There are two persons, one is Noori and another one is Sonu. Noori's age, you can take as x years. Then similarly, the present age of Sonu, you may call it as y years. Then here there are two situations. One is 5 years ago and second one is 10 years later. Here I'll write before 5 years. Before 5 years. Observe it. Before 5 years, what was the Nouri's age? Nouri's age is equal to present age is x. Before 5 years means x minus 5. Hope that you have understood. Then, what about Sonu's age in that time? Sonu's age was, present age is y, before 5 years, y minus 5 years. But condition has been given. Nouri was thrice as old as Sonu. For your reference, I am writing Nouri was thrice as old as Sonu. Nouri's age before 5 years, it is x minus 5. 3 into Sonu's, it is y minus 5. Hope that you have understood. Then it is x minus 5 is equal to, multiply 3, 3y minus 15. Then take 3y to the left hand side, it is x minus 3y, it's equal to minus 15 is there. Take minus 5 to the right hand side, becomes plus 5. Minus 15 plus 5, minus 15 plus 5 is minus 10. You may call it as equation 1. Hope that you have understood. Now, let's move on to another situation. What is that? 10 years later, that is after 10 years. Then what will be Nouri's age? Nouri's age will be present age x, after 10 years x plus 10 years. Then what about Sonu's age? Sonu's age will also be increased by 10. That is, present age is y, after 10, y plus 10 years. But it has been given that 10 years later, Nouri will be twice old as Sonu. We can, for your reference, Nouri will be twice old as Sonu. Nouri's age x plus 10. 2 into Sonu's age y plus 10. It is x plus 10 is equal to, multiply by 2, 2y plus 20. Now x minus 2y, 20, it is minus 10, it will be 10. Call it as equation 2. Now, we have converted the given situation into mathematical equations. What is the next step? We have to check whether the solution is existed or not. Let us go for verification. I am going to write a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 directly. What is a1 by a2? a1 is, it is the coefficient of x. a2, coefficient of x in second equation. Both are 1. It is equal to 1. Then b1 by b2. b1 is minus 3. What about b2? It is minus 2. This will be 3 by 2. Then what about c1 by c2? It is equal to, c1 is, take minus 10 to the left hand side, becomes plus 10. Then 10 to the left hand side, minus 10, it's equal to minus 1. Now on comparing, what do you say? On comparing, see that a1 by a2 is 1, b1 by b2 is 3 by 2. Are they equal? No. So on comparing, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Clear? What do you say about the solution? Type of solution. It has unique solution. We can say that solution is existent. Therefore, the solution is existent. Then they had given that if the solution is existed, we have to solve them by which method? Yes, elimination method. Here I am going for calculation. By elimination method, auxiliary. First equation is x minus 3y equal to minus 10, and second equation x minus 2y equal to 10. Let us go for here. The coefficient of x in both the equations is same. Let us go for writing them directly. It is x minus 3y is equal to minus 10, and second equation is x minus 2y is equal to 10. And you can also notice that the coefficient of x is same. One thing, even the sign as well. Hence I go for changing. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, here plus becomes minus. Plus x minus x get cancelled. Next, minus 3y plus 2y, how much it is? This will be minus y. What about minus 10 and minus 10? It is minus 20. So y is equal to 20. Now let us go for substituting y equal to 20 in any one of the two equations to get the value of x. Let us find out x. To find out x, we have to substitute y value in any one of the two equations. Here we have two equations. I go for taking the first equation. What is the first equation? It is x minus 3y equal to minus 10. And what is y value? It is 20. It is, in place of y, I am going to write 20. Got it? Then x minus 23 are 60 is equal to minus 10. Then x equal to minus 10, transfer minus 60 to the right hand side. It becomes plus 60, then x equal to 50. Got it? So x is 50 and y is 20. What does x indicate? It is Nouri's percentage. And y indicates Sonu's percentage. Hence we can write the conclusion as, therefore, Nouri's percentage is 50 years, and whereas Sonu's present age, how much? 20 years. Clear? Yes, please go for copying from there to here. Dear students, now third sub question, it is related to two-digit number. Already it has been solved. Now we shall move on to the fourth sub question. Please go through that. This is also very nice. It is, Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. See, 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Only 100 rupee currencies and 50 rupee currencies. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of 50 and 100 she received. Is it not simple? Yes. So first we shall convert the given statement into mathematical equations. Here what we are going to find out? We will find how many notes of 50 and 100s are there. We do not know them. Let us assume them as x and y. Let the number of rupees 50 notes, how many are there? It is unknown, x. And the number of rupees 100 notes, how many are there? It is y. But altogether, how many notes will be given to Meena? Yes, it is. How many are there? 25 notes. So, total number of notes is equal to 25. It includes x number of 50 rupees notes and y number of 100 rupees notes. It is equal to 25. You may call this as equation 1. Hope that you have understood. Next. And what is the total amount withdrawn by Meena? It is 2000 rupees. Is it not? Here I will write total amount received. Total amount received from the bank. It is rupees 2000 And this 2000 includes X number of notes, X number of 50 rupees notes and Y number of 100 rupees notes. Clear? See that. Could you tell what is the amount of 50 notes? See, if one note is there, one 50 rupees note is there, we'll just say 50 rupees. Two 50 rupees notes are there, 50 into 2, that is 100. If 3 are there, 150. 4 are there, 4 into 50, 200, like this. If X number are there, X into 50, that is 50X. So 50X amount of 50 rupees and 100Y amount of 100 rupee notes. Hope that you have understood. Altogether it is 2000 rupees. Then see that all the coefficients are the multiples of 50. Hence let us divide both sides by 50. Here it is X, this is 2Y, this is 50. 4s are 200 and zeros are. Call it as equation 2. We got both the equations. We have converted the given statement into mathematical equations. What is the next step? We are going to verify. What you are going to verify? Yes, it is whether the solution is existed or not. How do you go for verifying that? By finding the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 as well as C1 by C2. What is A1 by A2? 1 and here 1. 1 by 1 is 1. B1 by B2, 1 and it is 2. It is 1 by 2. And C1 by C2, it is minus 25 by minus 40. This is equal to minus get cancelled. 5 5s are 5 8s are. Compare. On comparing, what do you say? On comparing, we can say that A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 because A1 is first ratio is 1, second ratio is 1 by 2. They are not at all equal. If they are not at all equal, then we can say that they have the equations have unique solution. That means it has that means solution is existed here and there. Therefore, the solution is existed. If the solution is existed, what should be done? We have to calculate. Let us go for calculation. By which method? By elimination method, as they have mentioned. Elimination method. Here, the first equation is x plus y equal to 25 and the second equation is x plus 2y is equal to 40. Is it not simple? Yes. Why? The reason is the coefficient of x is same. Here is 1 and here is 1. Hence we can cancel them easily by changing the sign. Here minus, here minus, here minus. These two get cancelled. What is y? Minus 2y. It is minus y. Then 25 minus 40. It is minus 15. Y is equal to 15. Got it? Next. After getting y, you can find out x by substituting y equal to 15 in equation either 1 or 2. Equation 1. X plus y is equal to 25. What is y? This is 15. Then x equal to 25 minus 15. X equal to 10. Clear up? Yes. What does x indicate? The number of 50 rupees currencies. Y indicates number of 100 rupee currencies. So we can write the conclusion as the number of rupees 50 notes is 10 and the number of rupees 100 notes is 15. Clear? Hope that you have understood. Please go for copying from there to here. Once you go through the statement, data, converting the given statement into mathematical equations, then verification, after verification, calculation by using elimination method. Finally, we have written conclusion. Yes, copy this. Dear students, observe the fifth sub question. This is also very nice. Please go through this. It is, a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book she has taken for 7 days. 27 rupees has been paid for 7 days. While Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Then find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. Clear? Hope that you have understood. Very simple one. First, let us write data. See that. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. Both are unknown. Let us go for assuming them. Let the fixed charge, and do remember fixed charge is for how many days? See, as a fixed charge for the first 3 days. Fixed charge for 3 days. It is rupees X. Here. Then, and the charge for each extra day. And the charge for each extra day. How much? It is rupees Y. Suppose 10 days are there. If the book is taken for 10 days, then how the amount will be calculated? 3 days, one charge, and remaining 7 days. See, for 3 days it is fixed, X rupee. For 7 days, for remaining 7, for each day, Y rupee, and for 7 extra day, 7Y, like this. Here, observe the two situations. There are two persons, one is Sarita and another one is Susie. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book she kept for 7 days. Here I'll write. Sarita paid 27 rupees for 7 days. Is it not? Look here. How do you write this in this as an equation? 27, that is the total amount paid by Sarita for 7 days. 7 days can be split up as 3 plus 4. Is it not? For 3 days, how much amount? X rupee. For 4 days, for each extra day, Y rupee. For 4 days, 4Y. It will be equal to 27. You may call it as first equation. Then another one. Second person, Susie paid 21 rupees for the book she kept for 5 days. Here I'll write. Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5. Then 5 can be split up as 3 plus 2. 3 for 3 days, X rupees. 2 extra day, each extra day Y rupee. And for 2 days, it is 2Y. This is equal to 21. You may call it as second equation. The given situation has been converted into equations. Is it not? Next, we have to verify whether the solution is existent. Here I'll write. Verification. Then we have to find out A1 by A2, B1 by B2, then C1 by C2. After that, you have to compare. What is A1 by A2? Observe equation 1 and 2. 1, 1. 1 by 1 is 1. B1 by B2. 4 and 2. It is 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. C1 by C2. Minus 27, minus 21. Minus 27, minus 21. These two are not cancelled by any number. It is just 27 by 21. compare. On comparing, we can say that, see, A1 by A2 is 1, B1 by B2 is 2. Are they equal? Not at all. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Then what type of solution? It is unique. Whether the solution is existent? Yes. Therefore, we can write the solution is existent. Then what has been given? If the solution is existent, we have to find out them by elimination method. Let's move on to calculation. By elimination method, let me write both the equations directly, because coefficient of x in both the equations is same. X plus 4y equal to 27, this is the first equation. Then x plus 2y equal to 21 is the second equation. Then to cancel x, I am going to change the sign. This is minus, get cancelled. 4y minus 2y, 2y. 27 minus 21, it is 6. Is it not? Now y is equal to 3. Next, we have to find out x. So substitute y equal to 3 in any one of the two equations. I go for taking 1. It is x plus 4y equal to 27. X plus 4 into what is y? Y is 3. It's equal to 27. X plus 4 3s are 12 equal to 27. Then x equal to 27 minus 12. X equal to 27 minus 12 is, it is 15. Hope that you have understood. What does x indicate? It is the fixed charge for 3 days. And y indicates it is the charge for each extra day. So let us go for writing the conclusion. Therefore, the fixed charge is rupees 15, and the charge for each extra day, it is rupees 3. Clear now? You can just verify that regarding Sarita. How much amount she has paid? 27. For how many days? For 7 days. For it can be split up as 3 and 4. For first 3 days, how much rupees? 15. Each extra day, 3 rupees. So 4 days, 4 3s are 12. 15 plus 12, 27. See that? Similarly, you can also verify with respect to Susie. Hope that you have understood. Yes, please go for copying neatly from here to here. Yes, copy this. Dear students, now exercise number 3.4 has been completed. Now, before going to exercise number 3.5, we have the important type of problem which will be asked in the examination. More chances are there for 1 mark. So we are moving to take some of the worked examples. Observe. The first question. For which values of p does the pair of equations given below has unique solution? Dear students, we are very familiar with the different types of solutions with respect to pair of linear equations in two variables. The first one is unique, second one is infinitely many, and third one is no solution. You just go for recalling the conditions for all these. For unique solution, yes, could you tell? It is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. For infinitely many solution, for uncountable number of solution, the condition is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. And the third one is no solution. For no solution, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Right? Please recall these three types of solutions with the conditions. Here, the question is, for which value of P does the pair of equations given below has unique solution? For unique solution, we can go for using the condition A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Observe the equations 4x plus py plus 8 equal to 0 and 2x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0, right? Here, first I will go for writing them in the standard form. Are they in standard form? No doubt. See that? A1x plus B1y plus C1, all are on the left hand side. Right hand side 0. Here also. Hence I will go for writing the coefficients directly. What is A1? 4. B1, P, C1, 8. A2, 2. B2, 2. C2, it is also 2. Is it not? Next, for unique solution, we have a condition. For unique solution, it is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Is it not? Substitute A1 and A2. It is 4 by 2 is not equal to B1 by B2. This is P by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. So P is not equal to 4. Then what will be the value of P? The meaning of this statement is except for the value of P, that is 4, for remaining other values, these equations will be having unique solutions, right? I'll show you that. See that? What is A1 by A2? 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. If P is 4, see, 4 by 2, again it is 2. That is why P should not be 4. If P is not equal to 4 or P may be any other values except 4, the given equations will be having unique solution. Clear up? So I'll write the conclusion. Therefore, the value of P is any number except 4. See? Here, the value of P is any number except 4. Clear? Yes. For other values of P except 4, the given equations will be having unique solution. Hope that you have understood. Very important. Please go for copying this. Let's move on to the next one. See, first one it was with respect to unique solution. Next one it is with respect to infinitely many solution. Once we go through the statement. For what values of k will the following pair of equations have infinitely many solutions? This is kx plus 3y minus of k minus 3 equal to 0 and 12x plus ky minus k equal to 0. See, dear students, the given equations are already in standard form. Just we shall go for writing the coefficients. What is A1? It is k. B1, it is 3. And C1, it is minus of k minus 3. Similarly, A2, this is 12. B2, this is k. And C2, this is minus k. Clear? Observe it. For infinitely many solutions. What is the condition? It is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. This is the condition. Let us go for substituting. A1 by A2, it is k by 12. Right? Then B1 by B2, it is 3 by k. It's equal to C1 by C2 minus of k minus 3 by minus k. Then how do you go for finding the values of k? There are many possibilities. Look here. You may equate first to two, or first and last, or next to two. These are the possibilities. Understood? Yes. First to two, next to two, or first and last. let us go for taking these possibilities. First, I'll take k by 12 equal to 3 by k. Then how do you go for cross multiplying? K square equal to 36. Then k equal to plus or minus root 36. K equal to plus or minus 6. Got it? K may be either plus 6 or minus 6. Look here. If k is plus 6, 6 by 12, 1 by 2. Then 3 by 6, 1 by 2. Here, k minus 3, k is 6. 6 minus 3, 3. And this is 6. It is again 1 by 2. Yes, it holds good. What about for minus? Minus 6. Look here. It is minus 6 by 12. It is minus 1 by 2. This is 3 by minus 6. Minus 1 by 2. And this is k is minus 6. Minus 6 minus 3. Minus 9. And this is k is minus 6. Both get cancelled. This will be 3 by 2. See that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. So it doesn't come for k is minus 6. Hence we should take only k equal to plus 6. Then is there any other possibilities? Observe. When you take the next two also, look here. Next two, here I'll write 3 by k is equal to, here minus minus get cancelled, k minus 3 by k. K get cancelled, k equal to 6. Already we have got. And another possibility, first and last, it is k by 12 is equal to, it is k minus 3 by k. Then go for cross multiplication. It will be k square, it's equal to 12k minus 36. Then k square minus 12k plus 36 equal to 0. Then factorize this. It is k square, or else you can also solve this in another way. Now, let me show this one first. It is minus 6k plus 36 equal to 0. Then observe, it is k into k minus 6 into k minus 6 equal to 0. K minus 6 into k minus 6 equal to 0. Again k equal to 6 will come. Right? Hope that you have understood. Then you can check that. Is there any other possibility? It comes only for k equal to plus 6. Here also plus 6. Here also plus 6. Then if any other values are there, let us go for checking it out. As k equal to 6 will satisfy the condition, the given condition, that is infinitely many solution. Therefore, we can write the value of k is 6. Got it? Copy it. Dear students, next we are moving to exercise number 3.5. So we can continue that in the tomorrow's class. So in tomorrow's class 3.5 will be continued, and this 3.5 is related to this type problems. For what value of k, a, b, the given equations will satisfy unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. Okay? And before concluding today's class, I am reminding you, whatever we have done today, please do practice them today itself. Don't keep anything pending. Okay? And particularly, this type problems are very important in the examination point of view. So please do practice well. With this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.